In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match bills and purchase orders in QuickBooks Online connected organizations. This process is really important for keeping your accounts accurate and making sure you only pay for what you actually receive. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own QuickBooks file. First, start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the very top of the page, look for the button labeled New with a plus sign. This is where you create most types of transactions. Click on that, and from the list that appears, choose Bill. This tells QuickBooks you're entering a supplier bill that you need to record and eventually pay. Once the bill form opens, go to the Payee drop-down near the top. This is where you select the vendor who sent you the bill. Choose the correct vendor from the list. If you're not sure which vendor to pick, double-check the bill you received so the name matches exactly. As soon as you select the vendor, look over to the right side of your screen. QuickBooks will automatically show you any open purchase orders associated with that vendor. These are purchase orders you've created but haven't fully received or billed yet. This panel is where the matching happens. Find the purchase order that relates to the bill you're entering. Check the date, the reference number, or the items to make sure it's the right one. When you've identified the correct purchase order, click Add next to it. QuickBooks will pull the details from that purchase order directly into your bill, including items, quantities, and amounts. Now, this next part is key. Review each line item carefully. In real life, you might receive a partial order, or the vendor might bill you for only part of what was ordered. Adjust the quantities or the amounts on each line so they match exactly what you actually received or what appears on the vendor's bill. For example, if you ordered 10 units but only received 8, change the quantity to 8. This keeps your stock, costs, and remaining purchase order balance accurate. Once everything looks correct, take a moment to scan the totals at the bottom and make sure the bill date and terms are correct. When you're happy with it, click Save and Close. You've now successfully matched a bill to a purchase order in QuickBooks Online, helping keep your records clean and your payables under control.